Ruben,
What?
we are going to be in Sydney very, very soon, and we have some exciting updates, don't we?
We do. Bit of some additional information regarding some of the shirts, some of the details of the after party, and even just the fact that we are starting to get to full capacity. Not there yet, starting to get to full capacity.
I can't believe that. You know, it's always exciting, and in my head I thought it'd be a little intimate gathering, but we're talking literally hundreds of people.
Yeah.
This is going to be a big event.
Should be good.
This is going to be huge. I don't know that we're going to have enough time to even, have chit chats with everyone, which is why we will remain on site after the event's official conclusion, which is 7 p.m. We will be there in the
Pearl Ballroom.
Pearl Ballroom from 7 p.m. onwards. So after the formal proceedings conclude, we'll be there mingling, shaking hands, kissing babies, all that kind of stuff. And we will have t-shirts. I believe we'll have some t-shirts there, right? Not all of them?
Yeah, so this is part of the reason for this video is we kind of looked at the numbers of people going, looked at the amount of t-shirts that we ordered and went, hang on a minute, there's not quite enough here. So what we're doing in this video is we're actually going to put a link down below if you wanted to reserve a t-shirt, make sure you got one before the night, and then that way on the night, those that have reserved them can grab them, and then kind of after that it'll be first come, first served kind of thing. So if you wanted to make sure you grabbed one, we'll pop a link down in the description. If you hadn't yet registered, we'll also pop that down below. Yeah, we're super excited, super stoked. Can't believe it's already coming next week.
I can't wait. And so are the shirts a surprise, or are you going to put up an image of them?
Nah, let's show them off, I think. So
All right.
We've got the Bullion Now logo there with the date 2023. Thank you for the dispatch team for sending us some photos of those. Much appreciated, guys. So yeah, those there are the other shirts. So
and what's the setup? What's the cost of these shirts, Ruben?
also free.
You're joking.
So can't go wrong with that. So
this is going to be I'm very excited about this event. We've done this once before, but I think it's a bit more exciting this time, given that we're hosting an informational evening. And
got a night, got a panel, got
Yeah.
hundreds of people. It should be good. Should be good fun.
And I'm just going to put you under the bus with a bit more to do now afterwards, Ruben, but you'll put up images now of the speakers. We've got Hedley Widdop, we've got Lynette Zhang, which will be very exciting.
Jamie Hanna and our own Michael.
Michael Pepper will also be there,
That's
live
it.
in the flesh, taking your questions and giving you as much information as humanly possible. So get on down. I think I'm going to put it out there, this event may reach capacity. So if you're on the fence about whether or not you'll attend, click the link in the description, register, the ticket is free, but just secure your spot, because it'd be a shame if you were in the area and you were not able to attend, because it's looking like it's going to be a pretty exciting evening.
That's it. So yeah, we will get ourselves organised, because we need to start packing. It's coming up pretty quick. And yeah, we will hopefully see you there next week. And if not, we will endeavour to stream it and make sure we get lots of videos from it as well. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.
See you there.